5 faceless channels, under 3 months old, over $50,000 made. Let me show you exactly what they're doing. Okay, so this guy has 17 videos and 2.3 million views. And the animation? Literally stick figures. I'm not even joking. Look at this. A circle for a head, 2 dots for eyes, stick body. That's it. And he's getting 654K views on a single video. So what's the secret? The title formula. The worst business decisions ever explained like you're 5. See, the word worst does something to people. We love watching rich CEOs mess up. It makes us feel better about our own mistakes, right? And explained like you're 5 removes all the intimidation. Nobody's scared to click on that. So here's how his videos work. 10 stories per video. Blockbuster rejecting Netflix, Yahoo saying no to Google, Kodak ignoring digital cameras. Each story takes about 60 seconds. Super simple. The animation takes maybe 15 to 20 hours total. No fancy software skills needed, just basic shapes and company logos. So if you want to copy this, your title is The Worst plus any broad topic plus explained like you're 5. Worst startup failures, worst crypto scams, worst product launches. You'll never run out of content. Now this one's interesting. This channel only has 12 videos, but 2 of them got over 500,000 views combined. And here's the crazy part. They accidentally figured out what works. Look at this. 5 Scotch brands robbing you blind got 261,000 views. 10 Scotch brands to avoid got 6,000 views. Same channel, same topic, same week. The difference? 40 times more views just because of the title. Robbing you blind hits different. It feels personal, like someone's stealing your money right now. The videos go back and forth. 5 brands that are overpriced garbage, then 5 that are actually worth buying. People watch the whole thing because they want to know which side their favorite brand lands on. And the CPM on this stuff? $8 to $15. That's like 3 times higher than normal because whiskey people have money. You can do this with anything expensive. Watches, headphones, skincare, coffee machines, any product where the marketing is bigger than the actual quality. Your title formula is the number of brands plus robbing you blind plus and the number worth your money. Okay, this one pumps out content like crazy. 30 videos in 2 months, and their beer video hit 298,000 views. The formula is fear. Plain and simple. Don't drink these 8 UK beer brands. Avoid these 15 chocolate brands. Every title makes you panic about something you probably bought last week. Each video exposes like 8 or 10 dangerous brands with all these scary chemical names. Then at the end, they give you 3 safe alternatives, so you feel relieved and grateful. Production time? 2 to 4 hours. AI voice, stock footage, some text on screen. Done. They upload 4 times a week. Beer, whiskey, coffee, milk, chocolate, olive oil. They just go through every product in the grocery store. Now, I gotta be honest with you, this niche has some legal risk. You can't just make stuff up about brands. Use words like allegedly and actually cite real sources. But if you do it right, you can adapt this for any country. Canadian food brands, American Walmart products, Australian supermarket stuff. There's room everywhere. This one blew my mind. 21 shorts, 2 million views. See these characters? They're AI generated and animated using Google Flow. The characters actually move and speak, lip sync to the dialogue and everything. Same 2 characters in every video. David stays calm and logical. Sarah gets emotional. They argue about money in relationships. One of the lines was, "For a roommate who pays $0 in rent, you have a lot of opinions." That short got 205,000 views. Here's how fast this is. Write simple scripts using ChatGPT. Generate your AI characters, animate them in Google Flow, use their VO3 voiceovers or add your own AI voice, combine those clips using CapCut. We're talking minutes per video, not hours, minutes. The debate format is genius because people pick sides in the comments. They argue with each other. The algorithm loves that. Quick warning though, this stuff borders on that red pill content, so YouTube might restrict your reach. Keep it philosophical, not political. But the AI animation technique, you can use that for anything. Fitness debates, career advice, parenting arguments. The format works. Last one, and this is the hardest but also the most impressive. 3 videos, that's it. Already monetized, making somewhere between $600 and $2,000 a month. Their North Korea video starts with this line: "Today, North Korean families must collect 1 ton of human poop every year." Like, who's not clicking on that? That's the hook. Something so weird, you have to keep watching. The animation looks simple on purpose. Round characters, basic expressions, lots of dialogue between historical figures. But it takes 50 to 65 hours per video. That's a lot. But the upside? CPM is $5 to $12. The videos stay relevant for years, and the audience is adults with actual money, not kids. Any country's history works, any empire rising and falling, any war explained simply. There's endless content here if you're willing to put in the work. All right, let me break this down real quick. If you want fast results with minimal effort, go British Truth Report style. High volume, low production time, decent money. If you want the highest paying ads, go barrel standard. Premium products bring premium advertisers. If you want the easiest starting point, try the stoic David Short's method. AI images, post daily, build reach fast. If you're thinking long term and you've got patience, animated history builds a real brand that lasts. And if you want the best balance of everything, Money Chuck. Moderate effort, proven viral formula, topics that never run out. 5 niches, 5 different ways to do this, all of them working right now. Pick the one that fits your skills and just start.